House is busy. Here is my lunch. It is about 1, maybe 2 servings of shredded cheddar cheese fried in the pan, and then I cooked 2 scrambled eggs. Put those on top of it and folded it over like an omelet, so it's kind of like a egg taco. Yeah. Hey guys, so I weighed myself this morning and I've not lost anything. So I don't know if it's because I really didn't eat much yesterday, didn't eat enough eggs, or what. I had the 2 eggs for breakfast and then the coffee, and then I made the egg rolls last night and I tried it, but that was it. I just really wasn't feeling eating. So I stayed exactly the same. I didn't really lose any. So I'm not really hungry now, but I'm going to try to eat this and we'll see how it goes. Guys, I made some egg salad because I'm so not hungry. But I made some egg salad. It's just 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of the organic Hellmann's mayo and a little dash of mustard. It's okay. And some salt and pepper. Alright guys, I'm ending today's vlog. I ate a total of 6 eggs today with the egg loaf, the egg taco, whatever you want to call it, and then the egg salad. So not hungry right now, and I guess we'll see what I eat tomorrow.